Welcome guys to Lyng Beats. Okay, today I'm just gonna chill, I'm gonna vibe, try to feel the vibe, make some melodies and try to make a decent beat. So I'm just gonna go straight to it, no bullshit, straight to the point. I'm also gonna use my drum kit on this beat. So everything that you see with the sounds drum wise is from my new drum kit, link in the bio by the way. This melody will also be one of the melodies that I'm gonna give out in my new loop kit that is also in the link in the bio. So if you want this melody in particular without any copyrights and stuff like that, and you can use it for your own songs and beats, etc. That's no worries. The link will be in the bio for the loop kit. Okay, let's get it. Fire. By the way, okay, so this is a problem that a lot of people have with their 808s and stuff like that, especially when you take it out of a new drum kit or whatever. So I'm just going to show you guys easily how to fix that. So if this happens to you, let's listen. If you place down a clap, for an example, and it just repeats itself like this, that's not supposed to happen, obviously. So what you do is you just click on the sound, you click on use loop points. And then if you see that the time marker up here, if you see the time marker is like a little bit yellow, that's not supposed to be like that. So just drag it down and then boom, it's fixed. Just like that, easy. And the same goes with the 808. If you have an 808 and you have the same problem, just do the same, use loop point, click on that, and then time, drag it down. Because if you don't do that, listen what happens. Now I'm clicking on the note called A, as you can see. But I'm playing the same note as if I was playing C. You see? So no matter what I click, it's the same note, which is not supposed to happen because we need to have the right notes, right? So we're gonna just drag the time down, and then all of a sudden it's fixed, easy. Another few things you want to do with your 808 is go here, attack down, hold up, decay, sustain, and release all the way down. Also, you want to right click, click on cut itself. That way, when you play another note, the note before cuts, it don't get like all muddy and stuff like that. So that's also a few things you want to look out for. Next thing you want to do with your 808, which is always nice to do, you right click on that sound, click on edit, and then you click on this little thing, and then detect pitch regions. That way you can see the note. Now, if you see that the 808 has two notes like this, it's more difficult, but if you see it has two notes like this, you're supposed to just ignore the note that is like less kind of. So you can see the beginning is an A, but the rest is a C. Then you're supposed to just think about this one. So this one, if this was an A for an example and not a C, I would have clicked here, here, and then right click on A to make the root node A. But the root node is C, so it's no problem. I can just keep it where it was. So that's tips for 808s. Okay, here's another tip for you guys. Okay, so this is an 808, right? This is the 808. To make this happen, click on Alt L. Boom. You don't have to manually drag it all the way. So we know that it's on the right root note, so it's the right key. Now we know you can see the bass notes of the melody and stuff like that, so we're just gonna place it on the bass note. That way we know the 808 is in key according to the melody, you know? Important to do stuff like that. And now that you're done with like all the basics and stuff like that, you have it all in the pattern, just like this. You just click on the pattern, right click and split by channel. That way you get all the instruments and all the drums in their own patterns, which makes everything much easier when you want to arrange it and make the structure of the beat. I'm gonna move these one down because I want all the instrument on the same spot. And I'm gonna put all the drums one down so it's easier. And then Control B to duplicate it like that. What you can also do is you can click there, right click, hold it, and then drag it, and then you can click on Control B again to just copy paste it like that, duplicate it. I'm gonna do that one more. Oops, daisy. I'm gonna do that one more time. Control B, just like that. Boom, and then we're gonna make an intro. So I already downloaded like ambient rain effects, which you can see here. And I'm gonna put that in its own mixer channel, just like that. Channel routing from this one, and then I'm gonna. This is the free way to do it. I'm gonna show you guys. You can click on here, and then presets, and then you can click on the radio one, and just lower the volume, and then it sounds like this. And then without the effect, or like the EQ, with the EQ. So that's an easy way to do it. I want some reverb on it as well. So I'm just gonna put some reverb on that bitch. Reverb on that bitch, yeah. Reverb on that bitch, yeah. Just like that. And I'm also gonna put on a riser. Now this is, you can buy riser kits, or you can just search on Google like free risers kits and stuff like that. I have this one that I bought, but a free way to do it is that you can take like a symbol. Okay, you can take a crash like this, and then you just click on reverse, and boom, there you have a riser. Now listen to this, boys. So easy. The next thing I'm gonna do real quick is that I'm gonna put on my producer tag. I'm probably gonna make a new producer tag soon because I'm not too happy with the one that I have now. But this is the one that I made a while ago.
Shit going crazy, man.
if you guys want a tutorial on how to make a producer tag, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments, boy. I'm gonna place that here.
Shit going crazy, man.
Shouldn't be too loud.
Shit going crazy, man.
Yeah, and just like that, we have a beat. This is extremely simple. Don't forget to check out my loop kit, which will include this melody that I just made. Also, it will include all the drums you just heard in this beat. So if you like those sounds, just make sure to check out the drum kit. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you guys enjoy this kind of content, okay? Let me know in the comments what else you guys want to learn. I can make more videos about that. So yeah, this is the beat, dudes. Let's go.
Shit going crazy, man.